So yeah, I just crawled in the back of the Jeep, the 1988, and got the latch open for the first time in a long time. She is pretty rough. Well, I'm gonna try and get her going. I sprayed her all down with some lube. And she's cleaning it out. It got pretty dirty. I've got this moving somewhat, but I'm gonna keep working at it and come back to you. I don't have any PB blaster, which is what I really need. One thing I did want to show you. That is amazing. The thing is staying up by itself. The struts are good. That's unheard of. I'm not even exactly sure what this was. It's obviously not worth having anymore because it's just falling apart. Let me try and get you.
A flashlight.
That's the flashlight. To look in the inside of this, so I could see the workings of it. Yeah, it's pretty bad. We might be missing a spring. I'm not sure.
I think we got all the springs. There's
Maybe.
two.
Look, see that hole up there? There might be supposed to be one there, but I need to find some PB blaster or something.